बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि ये फिल्म मैंने 2 बार देखी है। एक बार इसलिए कि महावीर जी ने कहा कि पिक्चर देखो, और दूसरी बार इसलिए कि मैंने कहा मैं पिक्चर देखना चाहता हूँ। इससे ज़्यादा मैं तारीफ नहीं कर सकता इन आर्टिस्टों ने, बच्ची ने हमारी, ये भी हमारी छोटी बच्ची है, और एक अनिल जी जो हैं, लक्ष्मी है, हमारे पुराने मित्र रहे हैं। जैसे ये लोग नए नए घर में, हम लोग भी ऐसे खड़े होके सब लोगों को बातें करते थे, क्यों अनिल कहाँ है, ठीक है ना, यस। सो जो ये ग्रोथ होती है न्यू कमर की, वो बड़ी एक मेमोरेबल होती है। पहला दिन, पहली पिक्चर, पहली बीवी,
आखिरी बीवी,
दूसरी बीवी, तीसरी बीवी, whatever the first experience is always memorable. And my best wishes and blessings to the whole unit, to all artists here, wonderful people. मैं पंकज जी का तो बहुत पुराना फैन रहा हूँ, और एकता प्लीज कम हियर, you can't be shy, you're the producer.
Shy doesn't know the English.
Shy and Ekta, इधर आ, she's the producer of the film. Please a big hand for her.
Ladies and gentlemen,
She's relaxing, sitting so comfortably right now.
Yes, clap please, clap.
ladies and gentlemen, Ekta Kapoor.
Yes.
ये भी आपके सामने बड़ी हुई है सर।
सब हम खुद के लिए भी बड़े हुए हैं आपके सामने।
I don't know what to say. Varun is going to take.
No, say 2 lines for the family.
Family?
You के साथ, मतलब you started it.
I just want to say this much, that it's a beautiful film. When I was shown the film by Mahavir ji, I was very, very happy, and I told him I'd love to present the film because grandparents are that part of our family that cinema has not given enough importance to. And yes, Kyunki had Ba, which I feel was also a big part of what we wanted to say, that as people get older, we start thinking they're irrelevant and we start forgetting them. Now when I see my father with my son, and I can come out and go out and do things because my parents take care of my child, which in so many homes grandparents do. So they develop an even better relationship with the children than you can have, because you are living life and they see their youth in your child, and then they connect with your child, and yet this one relationship no one has captured in films. So I'm so proud that Mahavir ji ने इतनी अच्छी बनाई. And let's all wait for Baby John coming in December, because it's all about the family and Varun is family.
Varun.
I think let's play the trailer now.
And joining us, ladies and gentlemen, the superstar back on the stage, Varun Dhawan. ट्रेलर वाज फैंटास्टिक, सबने बड़ा एंजॉय किया। सबसे पहले वरुण, आपका रिएक्शन जानना है ट्रेलर के लिए।
स्प्लेंडेड। आई थिंक मैंने तो पिक्चर देखी है, तो मैंने तो पिक्चर देखी है, तो आई फील इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड फिल्म, इट्स अ वेरी हार्ट टचिंग फिल्म। ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए, यू नो, अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स विद ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड द यंगर जनरेशन। तो बहुत अच्छा है। आई पर्सनली लव द डॉक्टर ड्रे जोक अलॉन्ग ये टोपी वाले आदमी कौन है। So I'm very happy and very excited to watch it.
We're excited to watch it on 20th of September. Anjali, this is your debut movie. Usually newcomers जब debut करते हैं तो एक romantic commercial plot वाला choose करते हैं। आपने एक family ending क्यों choose की?
So this film, the first time Sanjay sir narrated it to me, nothing felt so right. because growing up, I have been very, very close to my grandparents. I've had a very close relationship with my grandparents. They're way cooler than my parents, way more modern than my parents, and my parents sitting there have to agree. I was really, really close to my Nana growing up, and I lost him just a year before I heard the script. So I was in a place where I was not doing so well emotionally, and Sanjay sir has written this story with all heart, all honesty, and just a whole lot of emotion. And when I heard it for the first time, nothing felt so right. I felt like it was a sign. I felt like this is, because not every day is a grandfather-granddaughter film made. It's not the most common topic in films today. So I felt it was sent to me from him, and it just felt really right.
He's watching up from there and he's really happy.
It was sent to me from him. That's why it's a grandfather-granddaughter film for the first.
Absolutely. Sanjay, how did the idea, the thought come for Binny and family?
Okay, so I had my parents. I was living in South Bombay, and my son was studying in South Bombay school. And I could see the generational conflict. So when I was going in the car and I was listening to a song, it had lots of cuss words in that. And वो कौन से गाने सुन रहे हो भाई? So that's when I thought कि there are a lot of हम सबके बीच में ना हम एक दूसरे जनरेशन को जज करते रहते हैं. But there is something always to be explored जो हम शायद कभी बैठ के explore नहीं कर पाते. We all take things for granted. We just keep judging them. But when you just explore that relationship, you find much more than that. And I think that's what the idea when it came to me, and I thought, okay, this is an area we should explore.
It's a beautiful genre.
सवाल तो आपका बड़ा मुनासिब है. वैसे मैं एक इंसान भी हूँ और पिक्चरों में इंसान का रोल भी करता हूँ.
Loved your answer, sir. Ekta, Balaji has been associated with different genre of movies. We've seen Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, we've seen Ek Villain, we've seen Crew that was recently very successful. What prompted you and the team to come on board for Binny and Family?
So we've tried our best to be associated with good films always, you know. And I'm not saying we always manage that, but we try. In fact, recently we had a re-release of a film which did better than its original run, Laila Majnu. So I guess we have a belief कि कोई भी अच्छा कंटेंट कहीं भी हो और ऑडियंस सुन लेती है और उस कंटेंट को ढूंढ लेती है, चाहे 6 साल बाद बट ढूंढ लेती है. सो ये फिल्म में एक वार्म थी, एक अच्छाई थी. और मुझे लगता है कि आजकल ना बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त कहते हैं कि यार मम्मी को बाहर ले जाना है, पिक्चर दिखानी है, दादा को बाहर ले जाना है, फैमिली को बाहर ले जाना है. कोई अच्छी मूवी होगी तो ना फैमिली को साथ ले जाएंगे. एंड सो मेनी यंगस्टर डिसाइड व्हाट फिल्म्स देयर पेरेंट्स कैन सी बिकॉज देयर पेरेंट्स आर लाइक यू टेल मी विच मूवी आई कैन गो टू द थिएटर एंड वॉच. मुझे पता नहीं ये एडवर्टाइजिंग से कौन सी पिक्चर अच्छी है या नहीं. तो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल मूवी फॉर फैमिलीज. एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि महावीर जी ने हमें ऑन बोर्ड लाए वो एज प्रेजेंटर्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स. एंड वी होप टू पुट दिस फिल्म आउट टू द बेस्ट ऑफ आवर कैपेसिटी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Ekta. Rajesh ji, fantastic and loved your acting in the trailer, and we are excited to see it on 20th September. One thing that has changed after doing this movie, one thing you think that ये change आ गया मेरे में?
मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो बेसिकली 2 जनरेशन के बीच में पिसने वाला कैरेक्टर है. सो मेरे अंदर बदलाव सिर्फ यही आया है कि इनफैक्ट आई एम वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड कि बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स दे स्टे इन बिहार. सो माई मदर इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम अल्जाइमर. शी डजंट नो हु एम आई. सो इट्स ओनली फादर एंड माई बोथ माई सन. तो इन दोनों के बीच में अब रिलेशन पता नहीं, मैं कॉन्शियसली इस फिल्म के बाद कुछ और ही लेवल पे लेके जाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. सो दे आर नाउ वेरी इंटरेक्टिव थैंक्स टू बीच वाला जनरेशन. सो आई थिंक कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी ज़्यादा होती है हम सिर्फ ये कह दें कि टीनेजर शुड टेक एन इनिशिएटिव और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स शुड टेक एन इनिशिएटिव. आई थिंक इट्स मोर अबाउट द पेरेंट्स हु हैज टू फिट दैट थिंग इन देयर हेड कि दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए उतने ही जरूरी हो जितना हमारे लिए.
एब्सोल्युटली, दोनों ही उतने ही जरूरी हो. हिमानी जी, आपकी लाइफ में क्या बदलाव आया?
ऐसी बहुत सारा बदलाव आया, लेकिन क्या आई बीन वर्किंग कॉन्स्टेंटली सिंस माई यूथ एंड इट वॉज अ रेस. ये काम कर रहे हैं, ये थिएटर कर रही हूँ, फिल्म कर रही हूँ, टेलीविजन कर रही हूँ. बट दिस फिल्म टॉट मी दैट लाइफ इज शॉर्ट and it's precious and we must give time to our family, which is so important. This film, I think, gives that वो आपको सिखाती है. I think that changed me to appreciate relations, especially with the different generations.
Right.
फिल्म सेट पर ऐसे कुछ आपके स्पेशल मेमोरीज है क्या जो आप बताना चाहोगे?
Hi, thank you for your question. Firstly, I'll start by saying, if I had debuted with another newcomer or someone around my age, it would have been like different. Here, in my first film, my co-star is literally Pankaj Kapoor, sir. Like, how I can't get luckier than that. In my first film, I'm getting the opportunity to work with such a legendary actor. I could not have asked for more. I would have never, if you had told little Anjani that your first film is going to be with someone so established and you're going to get to learn so much, I would have never believed it. So I'm very grateful for that experience. I am very grateful for Pankajji's learnings, everything I learned, just seeing him. Like, without him telling me, just watching him, you just learn so much. And I feel like a lot of my performance that has come out in the film has got to do with it's got a lot to do with the person you're acting with. And if you have someone like Sir, then it's a very easy, smooth ride. And about some special memories, I think the first time I was shooting a scene with him, I was naturally a bit nervous because I was doing my first scene with Pankajji. And right after the scene got over, he was leaving and he turned around, he came, sat me down and said, Anjani, it is my job to give you cues. You need cues, you can ask for it, whether it's pack up, don't think about I'm leaving or I have to go or anything of that. You just have to ask me for cues and it is my job to give you cues and I'll be there to do that whenever you need. And that was just so comforting for me as a newcomer. He didn't have to do that at all. He didn't have to do it at all, but it was very kind of him to make me feel so comfortable. And Pankajji's cues, guys, they are literally the same as his performance, so it helps you too much.